I just bought this Predator generator, and it's a 9000 from Harbor Freight. I got it on sale for $630. It's normally $699, so I saved like 70 bucks. And the wheel kit is another $50. But I walked over and looked at just how much wheels were, and the wheels, these were $7.50, $7 or $8. Got two of them for like $15. Now the problem with these is the bore for the axle is 5/8, and this hole is 1/2 inch, so I had to make this bushing right here. So if you don't have a way to make this bushing, I'll put a video out there on how I made it. But if you don't have a way of making this bushing, they also sell some wheels that are 1/2 inch bore. They're plastic. So I thought I'd rather have these, but they were also, the plastic ones actually cost more than these. So anyway, I bought these, and so this video is about making a cheaper version of a wheel kit for this thing. Because, you know, it's not like I'm going to be rolling this thing around every 5 minutes, so I don't really need an expensive wheel kit. I just like to have one because this thing's really heavy. Alright, now that's got the wheels on there, but as you can see, we got to raise the front in order to get this thing level. Now I've got it blocked up in the front with a piece of wood. It gets it kind of level, pretty much. So what I'm going to do now is come back here and measure from here to the ground is 4 1/4. So I need feet on the front that are about 4 1/4. In order to get this thing to sit level. Okay, so in order to form feet, these are going to be my feet. Now, people are going to be mad, well, where am I going to get those feet? Okay, well, these actually came off the bottom of some cubicles that a guy was throwing away. And you know, if you do stuff like this, if you'll just let people know that you're willing to help them move stuff, I help people move stuff and take pieces off of it before we take it to the dump, and that's how I come up with stuff like this. I've had these for probably 15, 20 years. And it's the first time I've used them, but I have, you know, like 10 more of them. But anyway, so if I didn't have these, I'd probably be really tempted just to put, you know, if you took, it's 4 1/4 inches, so if I took two 2x4s on edge and then put a 1x4 on top, that would be 4 1/4. And then I could just screw it to the bottom and just set it down on top of it. So I'd be probably really tempted just to do that. You could also just take a couple of bolts and put them in here, but they're going to, you know, have a very small footprint and probably gouge a hole wherever you set. So okay, so that's my version of a wheel kit for the Predator. Now these could get bent. They're probably kind of light for the application. You know, if they do, I'll weld up something that'll get up under there and be a little sturdier than that. But for as many times as I'm going to use this a year, they'll probably be just fine. Now the kit that you buy comes with the wheels, the feet, which actually have some rubber on the bottom to kind of help things hold things in place. And it has a handle that comes off the front. All of that would be handy, probably decidedly better than this version, but this one cost me $15 instead of $50. So, well, actually with a coupon I could have got it for $40. So, you know, I saved $25. So probably should have just bought the kit. But anyway, this is, you know, this video is really a lot about, you know, how do you take what you have and make something that's useful and save yourself some money. Anyway, I hope it was entertaining to you. Thank you for watching.